Okay, time for sort 16. So in sort 16, we're talking about the short E and the long E sounds. Now there are two vowel letter combinations that make a long E sound, so an E sound, and that is EA and EE. So we find words like teach, teach, but that E sound is being made by an E and an A. Our short words, that's where we've got an sort of sound, like in less, less. And then we have our E, long E sound in words like keep. Now, this sort has an oddball. Even though we don't have an oddball heading, it still has an oddball, and that is this word. Now, you might look at this word and read it bean, which sometimes we say it that way, but most of the time we actually read this word as been. Like, it's been so great to see you. This is how we would write that. So our EE is not making an E sound. It's making like a short I, sound. So this is our oddball for this sort. And this sort also has some homophones. Remember that homophones are words that sound the same, but are spelt differently and have different meanings. So our homophones this sort are week and week. So this week means like 7 days. It's been 1 week. It's been 1 week. That reminds me of a song. All right. And then this is weak, as in the opposite of strong. So you're very weak. You don't have any muscles, for example. So those are our homophones this week. Here's our oddball. And then here are our sounds. We've got the short E sound, and then the long E sounds being made by EA vowel combination and EE vowel combination.